Looking for a food storage solution that's both practical and stylish? The Bormioli Rocco Fido square jaw jar with a 33-3/4 ounce capacity offers exactly that. Made in Italy with BPA-free glass, this jar is dishwasher safe and shock resistant, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. Whether you're preserving garden harvests or organizing your pantry, this jar keeps your food fresh while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen counter. I've been using these jars for over a year to store dehydrated vegetables like peppers, tomatoes, and herbs from my garden. What stands out is how the glass preserves flavors better than plastic: no unwanted smells, longer freshness, and less chance of spoilage. Plus, the airtight gasket seals in freshness without any fuss. The attractive design means I don't hesitate to keep a few jars on display. They blend seamlessly with any kitchen style, from casual to contemporary, thanks to Bormioli Rocco's refined Italian craftsmanship dating back to 1825. Labeling is a breeze with wine glass markers that wash off easily when I want to switch contents. This simple system keeps my dehydrated produce organized and easy to identify, saving time and effort. The blue lid adds a pop of color while ensuring a tight seal. These jars aren't just containers, they're part of a tradition that celebrates food, family, and the moments we share around the table. If you're ready to upgrade your food storage, the Bormioli Rocco Fido square jaw jar is worth a look. It's more than just a jar, it's a durable, elegant solution that protects your food and enhances your kitchen's style. Try it when you're ready to bring a bit of Italian design and practicality into your home.